Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a true lover's knot. Now there are a couple different variations of this knot, but the one I'm going to show you is commonly used when you make a macrame dragonfly. So let's get started. We want to begin with our ropes folded in half, and we're going to take the string on the left side and just curl it up like that to form a loop so it crosses over itself. And then we'll take the end of that string and just go under and then back over, and we're going to kind of pull it through a little bit. But we're still going to want to keep a loop, so don't pull it all the way tight. And now we're going to take the end of the right string and we're going to take it and it's going to go over the edge of the loop and then under it. And we're going to pull that through a bit. And then what we're going to do is take it under the edge of itself. So it goes under the right end, like that. Then over itself, and then back under. Just like that. We're gonna kind of pull it through. And now what we should have here is two loops that connect here in the center. Now what we are going to want to do is take each edge here that's connected in the center and feed the side on the left through the edge of the left loop and the side on the right through the edge of the right loop. So to make it a little easier, we're going to pull apart the edge here to form another loop. And the one on the right, it's going to be up top, so we pull it apart up top. So now we have two more loops. And so we take this string here through this loop and this string here through this loop. So it's just going to go over and under, and then the side goes over and under, and then we just pull those two strings. Just like that. And that's all you do. And so if you want to adjust the size of our loops that we just formed, you can pull on the string down here. Causes it to be shorter, and the string pulling here causes the other side to be shorter. And to tighten it, you just pull on the wings, and that's all you do. And so this is the true lover's knot. It's very commonly used to make dragonflies because it makes wings, and it has a very cool center. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.